I'm going to show you how to create a realistic rain effect. Create a new layer, F7 for layer palette. You can create a new layer here. Open this background, okay. Select this new layer. You can apply foreground black. After apply foreground black, go for filter, go for noise, then add noise, okay. 12.5 uniform, okay. Then to control the noise, I'm going to go from image, adjustment, and I'm going from threshold. I'm going to zoom, control plus to zoom, and I'm going to control how much noise I want. Okay, control 0, fit on screen. Then I'm going to apply effect. I will go for filter, and I will go from stylish, and I will go for wind. Select wind from the right and click OK. I need more wind. I will go for filter this time. Then I can select wind, the last filter you use, or you can press Alt Control F to add more wind. The next one, what I'm going to do, I will press Control T, transformation, and I'm going to rotate, and I'm going to increase the size more. I'm going to increase the size. Press Shift, and I can drag, and I can drag. Enter and Control 0. Now I will go for blending mode, and I will select screen. After select screen, I will go for window. I will go for timeline. In timeline, I'm going to create a video timeline. Click video timeline. In the corner here, there's a 3 dot. Just click it. Then you are going to convert to video timeline. Then what you need to create a first frame. You need just to move down, select another frame, continue move down, select another frame, continue move down, another frame, another frame, more frame, 24 frame equal to 1 second. Then you should select less frame, it's going to be fast. And if you give more frame, your animation is going to be more smooth. Okay, now I'm going to select the last frame, and I'm going to move, press Shift, select the first frame. Now from here I have a 5 second. I'm going to right click and go 0.2 second and make sure this option for this corner to be forever. If you select forever, then you can play your animation now. You can see full screen mode. You can just press F, and Control 0. This is how you can create a rain effect in Photoshop. See you in the next video.